Now with Rom&nd lipsticks, make sure not to go because that'll ruin the nice gloss coating. Okay, let's start. I am basically going to swatch my entire Rom&nd lipstick collection that I have been buying since it launched, and I hope that these shades are helpful for you. And if you want to know anything about my foundation colors or my skin tone, etc., it's all in the description box below, so you can check that out. For reference, I'm sitting in natural light. It's just nice and like warm and sunny outside, so this isn't like artificial studio light, so this is how it'll naturally look. Okay, that's it for part 1. Stick around for part 2 where I go ahead with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more shades. And if you have any questions, let me know. And I want to do a fun activity, so if you want to suggest any combinations of shades I should try together, let me know. We can see how they work out when mixed. Oh, and if you want a discount code for Rom&nd, it's in the description box below, so check it out. And all of the links and names of the shades are as well. I'll see you in the next video.